Westinghouse Lighting 100 10,000 Saf-T-Brace for ceiling fans, 3 teeth, twist and lock. Saf-T-Brace allows safe, secure installation of fans and light fixtures, ideal for new construction or remodel. Supports light fixtures up to 150 pounds on 16-inch centers, fixtures up to 50 pounds on 24-inch centers, and fans up to 70 pounds. Position box anywhere along the brace. Dual mount electrical box has 15.5 cubic inches wiring capacity, 1.1/2 inches deep, 6 knockouts for conduit or Romex. Main cap. Air 45-degree slope ceiling adapter kit, brushed nickel, at 145 AN. Safety rating all and safety listing dry. Style traditional light type fan light kits and accessories. Bulbs included no. Most comprehensive and exciting collection of ceiling fans. Unparalleled combination of form, function, and design. Note item is for Minka brand fans and it not a universal item. Universal ceiling fan remote control kit replacement for Hampton Bay Harbor Breeze Hunter Litex Westinghouse 3. Speed light. Dimmer UC 7030 TUC 7078 T fan. HDCHQ 7078 TL3 H2010 fan. HD5 fan 18R. Pikeman. This universal remote control is designed to separately control your ceiling fan's speed and light brightness. There are 4 buttons HI, Med, Low, OFF to control the speed of the fan and off. Westinghouse Lighting 7,224,200 Comet indoor ceiling fan with light, matte black. Transitional indoor 52-inch LED ceiling fan with light is ideal for great rooms up to 400 square feet, 20 feet by 20 feet. Matte black fan finish with reversible black and black marble finish blades, integrated 16-watt dimmable LED light kit with frosted glass shade, no bulbs required. Westinghouse Lighting 7,222,500 alloy ceiling fan, 42-inch. Indoor 42-inch LED ceiling fan with light. Downrod only installation ideal for small rooms up to 100 square feet, 10 feet by 10 feet. Oil rubbed bronze ceiling fan finish with reversible walnut and family oak finish blades. Light kit with opal frosted glass includes 2 medium base 8-watt 7 LED bulbs. Dotlite 2-pack ceiling fan switch 3-speed 4-wire pole chain switch cord, all listed. Z268S6 fan speed control pole switch replacement accessories compatible with Hunter ceiling fans wall lamps bronze. Package contains including 2 PCS ceiling fan switches, bronze chain, tightening Zing ear Z268S6. Function 3-speed 4-wire fan speed control switch OFF high, medium, low L1, L2.3, L3. These ceiling fan switch are great for ceiling fans, wall lamps, cabinet light. Works well in Hunter, Casablanca, Harbor Breeze, Hampton Bay, and so on. Ceiling fan light E27. Multi-Lampholder socket ceiling fan switch Zing ear Z310T socket with Z109M pole chain switch for ceiling fan lamp light antique bronze. Zing ear ceiling fan switch Z109M with E27. Multi-Lampholder Z310D. Z109M switch function on-off. Material metal upshell, phenolic base. Z310D Lampholder material phenolic. 2-pack light fixture mounting circle crossbar, 4-inch diameter adjustable universal steel bracket plate adapter fit for flush mount ceiling fan wall lamp chandelier pendant vanity accessory. Universal crossbar. This 4-inch flush mount ceiling light fixture crossbar plate is used as an universal part in various applications such as mount wall light, close to ceiling light, ceiling fans, pendant light, vanity light, and chandelier. This is widely used in fixture installation as it can satisfy different junction box size. Varies from 2-inch to 4-inch. Alescu Outdoor Ceiling Fan 52 with remote control, modern reversible DC motor for patio, bedroom, living room, outdoor ceiling fans, walnut finish. Ceiling fan without light. The ceiling fan with paint, walnut finish, plastic blades, and a matte black metal shell. Ceiling fans DC motor offer 70 energy savings. The noise is less than 35 decibels.